And we learned how to say arigato.
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 It means thank you.
Doctor.
Thank you.
Doctor.
Arigato.
Doctor.
So a couple things. One, everybody wants to see Naomi. Yeah, that's your snack for later after we're done. Second, I always talk a lot about, for the younger kids, like kindergarten, first grade, second grade, not necessarily getting a curriculum for some of the history and sciences and stuff like that, but instead doing like a subscription box. So I wanted to show you how incredibly excited she gets when I pull out her monthly subscription box. And it could be anything, like whatever fits for your kids. But in this case, we got the Kiwi Creates the World box. It does have a little booklet that we work together on. Super fine motor skills. And then her lanyard, because we're gonna put some things on it. All right, Naomi, are you ready to do your one for this month?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
What are we doing? What country is it? Japan. And we have a little globe here. You want to find Japan? Japan. It's not. Oh, but you're the heart. There was a heart on it. Where home was.
That's it.
Where's home? Do you know where home is?
Yeah, home.
Are you looking very hard for home? Where's home?
Right here.
We don't live in China. Are you ready to open the box and show them how excited you are? Okay, no, I'm going to show you. This is really to show you how excited she gets with these boxes and how much she actually learns with these boxes. Like fine motor skills. Step 1, trying to get tape off your hand. Yeah, girl, try to take it off with the other hand. This is a life skill right here, getting tape off. I could just use like a butter knife, but we're doing it the hard way. I'm going to give up in about 5 seconds.
Boy.
Cool.
Wait.
Do you want to do it?
Hurry.
Oh, build that strength. I'm stubborn. I had to do it this way. We got it.
Yeah.
All right, what's inside?
Hot.
Okay, ready? As a little water, and as the crafts that we're doing. We're not going to do all of them today.
That one.
Okay, you want to open that one? Do you know how to? Remember what I taught you last time? You got to unwrap it.
Oh, wow.
Around.
Oh, Lily.
Around. Oh, Lily taught you that.
Oh, Lily.
Lily is one of her tutors that works with her on stuff.
Yeah.
At the home education program.
Oh,
And Miss Dart. Yeah, other way.
oh, mommy.
Up this way. There you go. All right, let's open it. What's inside? Oh, it's a secret.
Stop. Mom.
Okay, so we're gonna add this
Only Mom.
to her booklet.
Why?
Okay, a little adventure, and I think we have a recipe somewhere. They always have a recipe. Make whatever this is. I think it's cute. Do you want to make that? It comes with the bumblebee. And then we can draw. You and your sister can draw a cat. Little cute things, because that's, Oh, we could do karate, too. Can you show me your karate moves? You could be like Chuck Norris. Show me. Ready? Hi-ya! Yeah. Ah. Oh, you got the foot going, too, Miss Flexible.
Funny.
Yeah, it's fun. Oh, Mount Fuji.
What?
Let's go to the mountain. Look at that. I want to go there. Do you want to go there?
Yeah,
We can take a vacation. Go to Mount Fuji. Now, I do want to show you how I can take a subscription box and spread it over a week with a kid. They're in first grade, second grade, kindergarten, preschool, even third grade. You don't have to do it every single day. So on average, I would say 2 to 3 times a week. And so when you get usually a subscription box, there's a variety of activities, and you want to split up each of those activities into a different day. So for example, with this subscription box that we have right here, day 1, We're going to go through it and we're going to see what she likes, you know, introduce her to the idea of Japan or the topic at hand that you guys are studying. Maybe look at the map, find it on the globe, go through some cards, and that's all you really have to do on the first day. Take about 10-15 minutes, right? Okay, 30 minutes maybe if you really get into it. The next time you meet, you can reintroduce the box. You can show her the map. Once again, review where it is on the globe. You can add a video. Some of these subscription boxes include QR codes that will lead you to some videos. Now, Kiwi Crates does not, but it's easy to find a video on Japan. In older kids, you can kind of go through some of the facts. And on the back, now a lot of subscription boxes also have this too, is some kind of characters that you follow with on this journey of whatever you're taking, whether it's science or geography, etc. And then here is the journey that they actually begin to take. And you can do that on day 2. So then day 3, the next thing that this one includes is some geography. So it talks about Mount Fuji, and you can find it on the map, you can watch a video, you can look at pictures, you can even go to the library and check out a book if you want to. By the way, I do believe some subscription boxes, you can get like a deluxe kit, and it'll actually come with a book that you can read to your kid. So here's Mount Fuji, you can actually read the stuff on the back about Mount Fuji, the geography. So moving on to day 4, this one has some kind of cultural arts or physical fitness or something like that. Of course, like Brazil, we had soccer. So Japan, we have karate. And this is where you can actually do the moves. And what I didn't videotape is me and my daughter doing some karate moves, you know. It was really fun. Now, at this point, of course, obviously, you can alternate which order you want to go because I know kids want to get into the crafts, not just like look at things. So you could do like a card, a craft, a video. You can alter it however you want to. But since I'm in the book, I'm going to keep going. I think we're on day 5, but whatever it is, the next day, this one includes a baking project, which I'm actually really excited to do this one. I'm kind of excited, especially since my daughter loves seaweed and we have all the stuff. Now, the following day is when we get into these things. For this particular subscription box, we can actually build something. And this one came with like a little fish with a set of instructions. Yeah, it's a little fish that you do, and lots of fine motor skills that work well with your kids. You know, one of the things that we forget is that our early elementary kids need to work on their fine motor skills. They're learning how to write. And it's not just about writing, it's about playing, it's about strengthening those joints and those muscles and the fingers that is going to help them with the writing. And so little crafts like this really gonna help out your kids. So if you have something like, you know, a subscription box for geography, a subscription box for science, a subscription box for art, there's subscription boxes for histories, then I've seen art. I talk about a really good art box, kids art box. I'll leave a link to that. I don't have an affiliate with them. I'm just like obsessed with that art box. Anyway, whatever it is, you can have several subscription boxes that you receive during the month with different topics, and you kind of rotate through them day to day. You don't need to go out and buy like the super expensive curriculum because honestly, kids don't usually sit and learn with worksheets at a young age. It's a mistake that the public school taught us. It's a mistake that we got inside our heads. And you know what? We got to rewire some things here. Kids do not learn that way. All right, moving on. You know, of course, you can split these up. You can even like design these yourself if you want to. You don't have to. But the next day is this guy right here. And this is drawing. This is some more art that you can do. They have instructions on how to draw. You know, of course, extra days, you can flip through this book, maybe some reviews, some of the past things. There is one more craft in here that's really fun to make. He's all over the floor. Sometimes you'll get like these little crafts that you can make and then play with through the month. You don't have to just do it one time and done. So actually something like this would be really good to do at the beginning of the month so you can pull it out, you know, keep your box handy, pull it out and play with it and review. Review is always really good for these kids. And yeah, that's what you can do. Like I said, like really seriously, all you guys need is a subscription box. So down in the comments below, if you guys could just let me know what kind of subscription boxes you love and why. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're interested in more homeschool support, encouragement, but specifically for kids that are unique learners. So thank you guys so much for watching this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.